Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, my beloved students, dearest children, congratulations on your well-deserved success. Congratulations, you have achieved a great success. My heartfelt lots and lots congratulations to you all students that you have been promoted and progressed. You have been promoted and progressed in standard 6. My warmest and extremely high congratulations on your achievement, on your great success. You have given exams last year, you have cleared your exams, and you have entered in standard 6. I am so much pleased to see you in my lecture today. Dear students, today we are going to learn English chapter 1.1. Don't give up. The lesson name is Don't Give Up. Dear students, as you all know that in English there are so many units and chapter. In this unit and chapter we will learn give up. Don't give up. Don't give up means what? Don't give your hope. Don't stop trying. Himmat mat haro. What poet said? If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. If you have tried very hard, you have done lots of work. You have done so many work you have done and you have not succeeded. Till don't stop for crying. अगर आपने कोशिश की है and you have tried your best, आपने बहुत कोशिश की है but you have not succeeded, आपको उसका फल नहीं मिल रहा है, you are not getting the result, so don't give up. रुक मत जाओ, हिम्मत मत हारो. Don't lose your faith, है ना? Don't lose your hope. अपनी हिम्मत मत छोड़ो. Keep trying. कोशिश करते रहो, कोशिश करो. So what poet says? If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. रोने के लिए रुकना नहीं है. कोशिश किए और आप सक्सेस नहीं हुए. You have not achieved your goal. You have not achieved your purpose. So don't stop. Don't give up. हिम्मत मत हारो. Keep trying. That is what in this first line, two line we have understood. You have tried, you have not won. Don't give up. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. All that's great and good is done. It is just because of patient trying. It is just of patient trying. Whatever you have done, whatever you have achieved, it will become possible just by patient trying, by continuous efforts, by perseverance, persistence. So what poet says? All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. जितने भी आपने अच्छे काम किए हैं दुनिया में, आप जो अच्छे काम देख रहे, बड़े काम देख रहे, अचीवमेंट एंड गोल्स एंड बड़े कारनामे जो आपको दिखाई दे रहे ना, इट इज़ जस्ट हैपन बिकॉज दोज पर्सन हैव ट्राइड पेशेंटली. उन लोगों ने सब्र से, है ना, कंटिन्यूस उन लोगों ने क्या किया था? कोशिश किया था. सो ऑल दैट्स ग्रेट एंड गुड इज डन जस्ट बाय पेशेंट ट्राइंग. पेशेंट जो है कोशिश करेंगे तो एवरीथिंग विल बिकम पॉसिबल. नाउ व्हाट हियर? Thaw young birds in flying fall. Thaw young birds in flying fall. What poet says? Thaw young birds in flying fall. You see the young birds? You know the young birds? चिड़िया के बच्चे होते हैं, कबूतर के बच्चे होते हैं. They all fly. They don't walk. They fly. But how they fly? कैसे उड़ते हैं वो? They just don't directly fly. When they are young, they try to fly. Now what happened? Thaw young birds in flying fall. Still their wings grow. Still their wings grow stronger. उनके जो पर होते हैं ना, वो क्या होते हैं? Grow stronger, मजबूत होते रहते. Thaw young birds in flying fall. Still their wings grow younger, stronger. उनके जो पर होते हैं ना, वो मजबूत होते हैं. What we see when the birds fall down? We see that they got hurt. We think that they have hurt, they injured themselves, but it is not true. ऐसा नहीं होता है. When they try flying, they fell down and they got hurt, but in fact they are getting more stronger. जब परिंदे गिरते हैं तो उनको जख्मी नहीं होते, वो हर्ट नहीं होते. They don't damage their wings. Their wings grow stronger. Actually उनके wings क्या होते हैं? बढ़ते रहते हैं. You see what? In your surrounding, you must have seen there are so many birds, so many small birds. They try to fly, but they just don't give up. They keep trying, they keep trying, they keep trying. And when the time comes, next time they can keep up a little longer. Next time they can keep up a little longer. Next time जो है वो थोड़ी लंबी उड़ान भरते हैं. नेक्स्ट टाइम वो लंबी उड़ान भरते हैं. ठीक है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर हमको ये समझ में आया कि अगर आप हिम्मत हार जाओगे, आपने हिम्मत छोड़ दी, सो व्हाट विल हैपन? क्या होगा? आप सक्सेस को हासिल नहीं कर पाओगे. जैसे छोटे परिंदे होते हैं ना, दे स्टार्ट फ्लाइंग, उड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं, दे फॉल डाउन, वो गिर जाते हैं, लेकिन गिरने के बाद में उनके पर और मजबूत होते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम दे कैन कीप अप अ लिटिल लॉन्गर, और दूसरी टाइम जो है वो और ऊंची उड़ान भरते हैं. सो द पोएट वांट्स टू टेल अस, if you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that great and good is done just by patient trying. Though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. See students, I have taught you for few minutes. मैंने आपको कुछ देर पढ़ाया, लेकिन पूरी पोएम मुझे बाय हार्ट हो गई. सो यू टू पीपल हैव टू रीड सो मेनी टाइम. मुझे कैसे बाय हार्ट याद हो गई? बिकॉज आई हैव ट्राइड. मैं इसको बार बार प्रिपेयर किया. आई हैव ट्राइड एंड ट्राइड एंड ट्राइड. बार बार मैंने इसको प्रिपेयर किया. तो व्हाट हैपन? क्या हो गया? द टाइम केम, आई हैव डिलीवर्ड बाय हार्ट. ठीक है स्टूडेंट. नाउ इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो I will solve certain question answers. I have given the targets. मैंने आपको सब targets दे दिया है. That I will solve for you. Okay. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. See you in next lecture.